Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to claim this airdrop. The airdrop link will be in the comment section. Let's hurry up guys. So make sure you click on the start. Right here you read all of the terms right here, the tags right here. Okay, follow them on Twitter. Okay, if you're new here on the channel, make sure you follow me. We share many guides on about crypto. Okay, you will like it. So make sure you follow them on Twitter, and after that we are going to like and comment on your pin post and add some hashtag right there. Okay, so these are new token. Okay, so this yum swap. Okay, so they will announce on when they will start the airdrop distribution. Okay, they haven't yet announced it. That's why you have to join this airdrop now, so you still have time. So make sure you retweet. Okay, then make sure you make sure you follow them as well. Okay, like the tweet, then come here, comment on something that is nice. Okay, so just follow up guys. Make sure you smash the like button, okay, so people will get to discover more of my videos. Okay, so after that you need to come back on here. Okay, so the next step is going to add the hashtag. Okay, we forgot to do that, so let's get on there again and just add the hashtag differently or separately. Okay, so you copy that, then you go there to paste it. Smash the like button guys, smash the like button. Okay, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Share this video to all of your friends. I want to keep it as short as possible. So after doing it, you have to keep adding, like they're only just the hashtag. Remember, on the other ones that we usually do, they do ask us for to add people, like tag people. So I think the hashtag part is as well. Okay, and so I think we are done. So you click on done, click on the reply to make it go live. Then after that, let's get back on here. Okay, so the next step will be to join their Discord. Okay, go download Discord app if you don't have it. It's on Play Store and as well on App Store. So you join their Discord, try to create an account if you don't have any account, and after that you just join their group right there on Discord. I'm hearing that you have to be active, like you have to stay active and all that, and staying active can actually make you get some kind of roles, and like you can get some rewards like that. So I don't have that time, so I'll just join their Discord on my other phone. Okay, let me just show you guys how the Discord channel looks like. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to come up a little bit. I think the signal is a bit slow, so don't forget you can download the app. Okay, Discord, you can see the name right there, Discord. So you can see this thing right there, join. So let's get back on here. So the next step would be to come on here and click on start airdrop. Okay, if you want, you can read the rules and regulations. So right here we have to verify, okay, that emoji right there. So let's verify it right there. Okay, verify. I want to know that you're not a robot, then click on continue. Or if you haven't joined the Telegram group, then you click on join, then after that you click on continue. Okay, I want this video to be okay, now they're asking you to impute your Discord username. I've done that. And right here they're asking you to impute your Twitter username, so they can get to track to know if you did, like you did follow the tags. Okay, so after that, then the next one is going to be this one. Okay, so I clicked on balance to check. Okay, and right here you need to identify what is the your referral code or your referral link. Okay, so you have to share it to more of your friends so you can get some of the token. So let me press this right here. Okay, and show you where to grab the referral link. So that's your referral link. Okay, share it to your friends. Okay, so that's how you can get more of the token. So this is a free airdrop. Have it in mind that all the airdrop right here I share on here, okay, they are all free and fair. Okay, don't transfer any crypto to get any airdrop. Okay, it's not right here. So we are basically just trying to get like make free money. So That's what it is. So guys, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Smash the like button for me. Share this video to all of your friends, and catch you again. I don't know, have you guys watched my previous video? Go watch it if you haven't done that. Okay, and if you haven't secured your Trust wallet, go check the video I have in the description, in my comment section. I pin it right there. Go secure your Trust wallet.